little patch job there. Hey guys, what's up? Someone's coming to say hello. Hello to you. You saying hello? Hey, look up. Yeah, we're looking at trying to do some cleaning up in this crazy thing here. We got some cleaning to do and trying to fit some window covers, but the dog wants to escape. Stay out there. So I brought some cleaning stuff with me, some tools, and of course our boards that we have over here so we can work on getting some of the window coverings laid out. And I was going to use some wax paper to measure some of the windows over here. Right, so that's what our plan is today, is to try to get the templates made from these. So I'll try to do some filming of that so that way we can see if that will work. But I was going to use some wax paper here to try to make templates, so that way it's easier to do the cuts on them. So we'll see if that's going to work out, and actually start cleaning some of the walls because they didn't do a very good job of cleaning over here. So we'll see if we can get any of this done today. I brought the pup out for a ride, and maybe that wasn't the best choice because he's not very willing to stay still. But anyway, it's a start. It's a start. So I got some wax paper and did a mock-up template here, and I will tape that together and then use that on the board. So I gently tape this down to hold it, and I'm just going to cut the piece off here so I have less to work with. And I didn't use a cardboard piece. I used wax paper instead because I just didn't have any cardboard, and cardboard's a lot easier to work with, but I didn't have that. So, and I'll use my step stool up here so I don't cut anything on the bottom. Actually, let's adjust this. So I'm using my step stool as like a stand over here. A little patch job there, but this one kind of fits. The little lantern, and it is dirty. There's the other cover, and there's the outside. I don't see anything seeping through. Those are other lights, street light. There's the difference here and there. Yeah, I think they'll work. You see, we'll put something cute on the inside probably.